Okay, everybody. I was asked to put a little video together on how to post grades. Due to the fact that things are kind of messy since we're now on semesters, it acts just a little bit differently than it did before. Now, some things are always going to be the same. You're still in term 3 and you still have it set for semester. When we open up here to go post our grades, it'll show up in red over on the right side. You just click on post. Now, when this comes up though, we are posting for the current grading period. So we're going to make sure that it says 1 for the term and for the task the first 6 weeks. And that way we'll get the first 6 weeks of this first semester. And so you'll hit OK and it'll give you this little message and you hit OK again. And it takes you over, and you notice up here, now I'm in the first term, first 6 weeks. And so I'm just going to go ahead and hit save, and that completes the post. Now, when you're done with that, you'll still need to go back to your third grading period and then change that back to semester so you can go back to putting in your grades. By the way, if you do not see a letter grade right here, then that means something is messed up with the grade calculations. And that might be on your end, or it might be on the district's end, or it might be somebody here at the school that needs to fix it. But if you have any classes that do not give you a letter grade right here, please take note of the section, this information right up here, so that we can kind of check that out and see what the problem is.